Good morning, student. I am Shyamli. I am going to teach you social study. In social study, we will study first chapter India, our country. India is located in the southern part of continent of Asia. India stretches for 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India shares its boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka and Maldives are island neighbors across the high sea. India is a beautiful country with varied physical features. It has beautiful hills and mountains, plains and plateaux, forest, a long coastline, and Iceland, vast desert covered with the sand dunes, river that follow through the country make the plains fertile. Here in the picture you can see India and the neighbor countries. Southern part of India is peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast and the Arabian Sea along the west coast and the Indian Ocean in the south. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Indra Point in the Andaman Nicobar Island is the southernmost tip of the country. Here in the picture you can see India with Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Himalayas, Peninsula, India, etc. Physical division. India can be divided into following physical division: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plain, and the Iceland. Here in the picture of India you can see the physical division of India. The political division. India is a large country. For better running of the country, India was divided into smaller areas called state and union territory. India is described as union of 28 states and 8 union territories, including National Capital Territory of Delhi. Union territory are under direct control of central government. States have their own government. The capital of a state is the seat of government and hence is very important. The capital of India is New Delhi and the office of Government of India is based in New Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi has a chief minister to look after its affairs. Rajasthan is largest and the Goa is the smallest state in India. Remember this. The seven northeastern states of India are called Seven Sisters. They are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. India is a huge country and has the second largest population in the world. There are more than billions people in India. People of different caste and religion live together, though they speak different languages and wear different clothes, but they are bound together by the love of their motherland. Here is the picture of Seven Sisters and the political map of India. Now, list of Union Territories of India: Andaman Nicobar Island, Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Delhi, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Now we will study list of Indian states with their capitals. Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, New Naya Raipur, Goa, Pondicherry, Panji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, etc. Go through all the state and capital. Thank you. Hope you like the video.